The Larson Electronics INDHL HDB FAR-UVC EX1L120V15C is a FAR-UVC handheld surface sanitizer which can disinfect 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores on surfaces, workstations, tables, and desks, as well as devices, machines, and personal equipment. This unit offers FAR-UV 222 nanometer output and comes equipped with a 40-watt excimer lamp. The aluminum UV system has 15 feet of 16.3 SOOW cord and a back-located handle for close-up UV light treatment. This light is a powerful sanitation solution for many types of surfaces. The light offers a flood beam pattern and has an expected lifespan of over 10,000 hours. With an extended lamp, this UV system caters to a wide range of sanitation activities via 180 degrees of coverage. Operators may move the UV light around after exposure time to disinfect several locations. This UV light can kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores. A red indicator light at the back of the unit notifies individuals when the lamp is on. An on and off switch is located near the handle. Multiple devices can be purchased to cover larger areas more quickly. This FAR-UV 222 nanometer light is considered to be eye and skin safe for humans, allowing the lamps to be used in occupied areas safely with minimum risk. This gas-filled emitter is energy efficient and offers cool operation. This sanitation light features instant start capabilities. Suggested applications include retail spaces, lobbies, commercial locations, industrial parks, schools, public transportation hubs, airports, offices, medical centers, casinos, labs, hotels, and more. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.